backhoe, 1754. Good morning, Valley.
Morning.
How we doing?
Good.
Scare the hell out of him. I'm excited, Valley! Woohoo!
It's my peeps. All right, here we are at Honan Equipment, Salt Lake City, Utah, picking up a 710J John Deere backhoe. We got us a chain across the bucket. There's a lot of dirt in there, but it's froze up stuff. Never come out. And I'd put some padding across that, but I mean, seriously. Chain to the thing, to the front there. We got our stack cover. We got our doors bungeed. We've recorded those cracked mirrors. Cab looks in pretty good condition. It's a little dirty inside, but not a big deal. We got chains in the back. I put a chain across some outriggers. We're gonna try that. I know there ain't no bounce, but calm down. Calm down, people. Calm down. Put a chain across this bucket. We're down onto the step there. I don't know what we are on the gauge. Yeah, we're not even at 20. It's like 25, 26, give or take. So we're way under. Again, this side, stay out the sun. I like them chains on that outriggers. Doors bungee corded. Cab looks like it's in pretty good condition. Bolts are up there for the cab roof. Again, chain across the bucket. I know that's a ton of dirt. Everybody calm down, but it's frozen there. We banged it, all kind of stuff. Probably should get a pick, I know. It's all legal. Oh, look at that pretty truck. Look at that pretty truck. No flags, no banners. Let's get her done. No sign or post shall die on my watch. So, here we are in Mccook, Nebraska, picking up a Western Star with a mixer body on the back. Don't stop believing. That's funny, the sign. Oh, that was funny. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Paul.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? I'm greasing my semi. I got
19 years mechanic. Going to grease places you wouldn't believe.
I turned them blocks this way. I've helped load these a bunch of these.
Okay.
I just use one block right on the center of the tire, and you've got two to worry about one coming out. That's what I do. I just use one block this way, and you guide him on, and I'll watch the hoses, but I don't think you have an issue like that.
Yeah, we'll just get them centered.
I like the camera. Is that just to watch for loading?
No, we have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
We do all kind of dumb stuff.
I'll be damned.
It should. Okay, now we're straight. That should be. So, here we are in Mccook, Nebraska. We just picked up this Western Star. I think it's a feed truck. It says mixer. I think it's a feed truck. We'll walk around here right quick. Stack cover, 6 chains. That pretty truck. We're gonna be about 85 to 89,000. We're going up to North Platte. We're going up 83. I believe it's Nebraska 83. To from Mccook to North Platte to the Flying J up there. And I'm gonna scale out. Not really wide, it's fenders, but that bucket up there is what makes it wide. Actually listed as 10 foot. Don't tell nobody, but I think it's 9/11 and a half. Yeah. 9/11 and a half. Look. Click that up a little bit so that the handle don't rub into the mud flat, create a hole.